Children are terrific at learning new things. They have all the right ingredients: curiosity, time, support, energy, and a primeval desire to join in with others. And really importantly, they don't mind making mistakes. They just get on with it. As children, we're experts at picking stuff up from experience, or to be more precise, experiences. As adults, we too have experiences every day, and even though we often have the same ones again and again, we don't always seem to learn from them. And that's odd, not to mention frustrating. So, an important question for us poor adults has to be, how can I get better at learning from experience now that I'm all grown up? Well, mostly. Here are 3 ideas for you. Firstly, things stick because we decide that we need them to. When we find something useful, which brings a reward of some sort, like satisfaction or praise, we tend to stick at it until we've got it. Now that implies 2 things. Firstly, if we want to learn from an experience more quickly, we should identify up front the specific thing that we want to master. Secondly, it suggests that what takes us beyond a single attempt and makes us good at something is, of course, practice. We have to have multiple experiences of something to get the feel for them. So, doing something a lot with a particular aim in mind gives us the opportunity to make lots of useful, focused mistakes. Like we did as children, learning to ride a bicycle or eat with cutlery. And there's the third thing. Mistakes. So much of how we're brought up and educated as adults revolves around getting things right. And that's the key difference between learning as an adult versus what we did spontaneously when we were little. Well, that was before teachers and parents got in the way. Then, mistakes were allowed, and so we were able to make lots of them. And to try again and again, making small adjustments to how we kicked a ball or tied our shoelaces. As adults, we have to overcome the tendency to want to get it right too soon. And as a child might say to themselves, I'll get it right eventually, the adult is more likely to say, I have to get it right now, or look stupid. So, to get better at learning by experience, bear 3 things in mind. Focus on one thing at a time. Make lots of mistakes. And allow yourself to learn from experiences, not just experience.